morning. So, Mira from HR. Yes, how can I help you?
Hi ma'am, good morning. This is Russell. I need to report an incident of workplace harassment.
Yesterday, during the team meeting, my colleague Lisa made some inappropriate comment about my appearance and repeatedly singled me out in the front of the team. I'm sorry to hear that, Russell. Thank you for calling. Your confidentiality at most important. Can you please provide details about the incident?
Yes, that's fine.
Thank you for sharing, Russell. I initiate investigation immediately. During this process, I need to speak with you and other relevant parties. Is that okay? Nandiyan ba si Mama Mira?
Wait lang mo. Nandito po ba? Nandito po si Manis.
Kami papasukin.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please take a seat. I'm conducting an investigation regarding allegation of harassment in our company. Can you provide your investigation of situation?
Ma'am, I didn't mean any harm by my comments. I was just joking around.
Thank you for your input, Lisa. It is important to understand our different perspectives. Nanutok ka niya.
Opo.
Akala mo magaling ka na. Look at yourself. Ang baduy mo.
Grabe ka naman sa akin, Lisa. Thank you for your patience, Russell. Based on our investigation, we found Alyssa's comment were the appropriate create a hostile environment. We are taking a matter seriously.
I appreciate your attention to this matter ma'am. It has been affecting my work performance.
I understand your concern, Russell. We'll take appropriate action to address the issue. Lyle will receive disciplinary action, including sensitive training. Additional, we will provide support and resources to help investigation situations. Is there anything else you'd like to discuss?
No, thank you for handling this.
You're welcome. If you have any further concerns or questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to support you.